single day. I'm gonna make something great.
Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome me back to my own channel, because it's been quite a minute that I haven't filmed completely nothing. You know, sometimes you get caught up in life and blah blah blah, excuses after another, but a little chit chat here. One of the things I have realized is life is too short. Do what you want, do what you please, live life to the fullest. And that's why I'm back, because I love makeup, I love creating, and I need to find an outlet so I can express that to the world. And how better than this little lens right here. So for that saying, I think today we're just gonna focus just on like the face, like products that go in your face as liquid powders and all that good stuff. I'm not gonna be elaborating on eyeshadow or anything. I'm just gonna put some falsies on and a good lipstick, but mainly I'm just gonna focus on a good foundation, a good concealer, and all that good stuff. So if you're interested to see what I'm gonna do today, please keep on watching. So first, I already prepped my face, I did my eyebrows, so I'm gonna jump into foundation. I'm using this Nars Radiant foundation, and the color is Barcelona. So I'm gonna pump that a little bit on my little pumper, and I'm gonna put it on my face. And welcome back. Since I was explaining what kind of foundation I was gonna wear, someone knocked on the door, and I had to attend because it was my mother. So let's recap. Let's keep on doing this makeup. So let's how it goes. I already put my foundation on. The one that I'm wearing is this Nars Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation on the color Barcelona. So I use this kind of brush, and you know, how do you paint your beautiful face with it. And I use a beauty blender. Then next we have Luxie. You can build up this foundation. It's really good. It's a lightweight, like medium kind of lightweight, but you can build it up so you can have a really nice flawless coverage. Then I'm gonna use some concealer. I'm using the Nars one. This is the Radiant Creamy Concealer. This is how you apply the concealer, and then you blend with beauty blender. Then what I do after I put a couple, you know, liquid things on my face, I like to spray my face with a setting spray. I have found that setting, you know, the liquids and the powders all to my face, it'll help my makeup stay longer. And especially here in Arizona, that when it's 120 degrees, I mean, you have to do miracles for your makeup not to
melt on your face.
Okay, so you let that dry. I mean, it'll be nice if I had a little pen, but I don't, so I have a little paper in a bush. So I'm gonna contour my face with a cream contour. This is the LA Girl color Beautiful Bronze. So I'm gonna do a little bit of a 3 shape on my face. Then we blend this kind of brush. And that's what it gives me a little. That's what you see the start to see a little bit of definition in your face, some contour, some highlights. Wet n Wild. These are the Wet n Wild Photofocus concealer. I'm gonna mix the color Light Honey and Light Ivory. I'll do both. And then I'll blend again. Alright, we're gonna start setting over liquids. So I'm gonna start with my brightening powder. I am going to use this Maybelline Fit Me loose finish powder in the color Light. It's a good one, very good, very nice drugstore finish powder to use. And this is how it looks when it's the setting powder. It's not looking just kind of crazy right now, but you would dust it off and it will be flawless. So now I am going to contour and bronze my face. For that, I am going to use for contour, I'm going to use the Bahama Mama. It has more of a ashy tone to it, so it kind of simulates more of a shadow, and a bronzer has more of a brighter brown, so it gives more of a glow. So that's what I'm gonna do. Normally I contour under my lips. And I'm still gonna use a little bit to kind of carve out just a little bit right here, so you can make those cheekbones a little bit of pop. Ooh, looking snatch, honey, looking snatch. All right, now I'm gonna bronze. I am going to use the Milani Baked Bronzer. I like this one because it has a really, bronzy, orangey look, but at the same time it has some particles that has like a little bit of shimmer. This is in the colors 05 Baked Bronzer Soleil, I believe. So I got my swirl and bronze up. So again, you might do that 3 shape situation when you're bronzing too. See? Oh, beautiful. See, oh, pretty. So then now I'm gonna take this powder off, dust it off. So I grab, just kind of face brush, and then I'm gonna. In the eyes, I like to go from in out. So I go in, out, in, out. Then if you need to do some retouch from your bronzer, you do so. And after that is what I like. Since you've already put liquids and powders on, trick, put some setting spray on. This is the NYX Do It Finish setting spray. So pretty! See how your face is started looking really flawless? Let's do blush. I am going to use this little duo from Morphe. It has 3 different colors. So I'm gonna use these 2 for my cheeks, and I'm gonna use this. Kind of has a little bit more of a shimmer to kind of give a little bit of a face, kind of not glow, but a little bit of color to your face, since we're not using any eyeshadows and we're gonna use like a neutral lip color. So what I do is go. The name, one of them is Sexy, another one is Fearless from Morphe. There you go. Then I'll grab this one over here with more of a fluffier brush, and I'm gonna go like a little tree. Pretty. Okay, next, clean up a little bit. If you got some leftover, you know, concealer, anything that you have under your eyes, just clean that up. And what I like to do is grab that contour shade that you did and do a little bit under your eyes. Kind of contour your eyes too, like this. Then I'll grab my bronze color again. Then after that, I am going to do some highlights. Highlight my face. So right now I'm going to use a mix of these two, because one is darker than the other one, since I'm not going to do nothing crazy. So I use this Wet n Wild highlighter Precious Pearls, and this one is the Desi and Katie collaboration with Those of Colors, Chasing the Sun. So what I do is, I got those two there, I wet my brush, then I swirl the both of them. So a little bit of this and a little bit of that, a little bit of this and a little bit of that. Swirl, swirl, swirl. Then I'll hit the highest points on my face. So right here, chin, cupid's bow, nose. Then reverse. Then I can do it in box too, kind of a little bit of, and do like a little shadow right here. Then after that, I'll spray my face again. Especially when you're putting highlighter on, you want that to set, so it will look a little more nicer, more natural, more blend into your skin. Then after that, I think I totally gonna jump into eyelashes and lips. So yeah, I'm gonna put some falsies on. I'll be right back. So I'm back after putting some lashes on and mascara. Look at this, like you look is like getting all together. The only thing you need left now is some lipstick. Like at this point, you can get to choose any kind of lipstick you want. You can do nude, you can do pink, red, purple, any kind of shade. This look will go with any color lip you want. But I just want to take a moment and see how beautiful and how flawless your skin might be looking. Even that you put a lot of liquids in and a lot of powders. I think the trick, one of the tricks is setting everything little by little so your skin will soak it in. So with that saying, what I'm going to do too, put all this together, I'm going to use a brighter highlighter. This is a Too Faced Love Light Blonde by Delight it calls. So I'm going to do a little bit on the top of my nose, like so, because I want my nose to look like a light bulb. And on my cupid's bow, and inside of my eyes, so I will look brighter and bigger, and a little bit under my thing too, if you feel like you have a lot of like harsh lines going on and you want a little bit of a blend, get a little pressed powder and just tap it with a little regular brush and kind of sew around those edges that you think is like bow, you know. I mean, that kind of toned down a little bit the highlight, but if you want to maybe just go a little bit more. And that's all. Is moving to lips. I am going to use this. Look at this. This one almost gone because it's one of my favorites from NYX, and the color it calls Cold Brew. So bear with me here. So what I'm gonna do a little trick to make your lips look bigger. You're gonna make a line between the two tips of your lips. So connect those two like this, like so. Then finish drawing your face, your lips. Then the lipstick that I'm going to use, it is from Colourpop on screenshots. It's kind of like a Then after that, another trick to make your lips look bigger, do a little bit of a lighter color, whatever you put in there, like right here in the center. So this is Cairo by NYX. And then after that, put a little bit of gloss too in the middle, and it looks so pretty. And this one is the Over the Top by Dose of Colors, of the collaboration of Daisy and Katie. Looking good, looking good. And this is the final look. I went down and put my hair down. Obviously my hair is not cooperating with me, but I think I totally love this look. It's very versatile. Your skin looks magnificent. And like I said, maybe if you switch color of your lips, something brighter or darker, it can be dressed a little bit more up. I think everybody can wear this makeup look. Love it. Don't forget, spray yourself again before you're done. This is one of my favorites too. This is the Morphe setting spray. Let all of those powders and liquids in, honey. So I hope you guys like it. Until next time, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, tell me any suggestions, any other makeup you guys would like to do, what would like me to do next. So yeah, so bye.